Hello and welcome back, students. In previous lecture we have discussed multiplication of rational number and properties of rational number. In this lecture we are going to discuss division of rational number. Class 8, chapter 1, rational number. We were discussing operations on rational number. In the series we have discussed addition of rational number, subtraction of rational number, multiplication of rational number, and now the final is division of rational number. Division of rational number. When a rational number a by b is divided by another rational number c by d, then a by b is known as dividend and c by d is known as divisor, and the value which is obtained on division is known as quotient. When a by b is divided by any non-zero rational number c by d, then a by b is known as dividend and c by d is known as divisor, and the result of their division is known as quotient. Now, method. How to divide a rational number by another rational number. First, question is, for example, divide a by b by c by d. A by b is a dividend and c by d is the divisor. We need to divide a by b by c by d. This can be written as a by b divided by c by d. Now, on division, you have to remove this sign of division by multiplication, and here this c by d will be replaced by its multiplicative inverse. In previous lecture, we have discussed what is multiplicative inverse of a rational number. For any rational number a by b, its multiplicative inverse is given as b by a. Similarly, for any rational number c by d, its multiplicative inverse is given as d by c. So, just remove the sign of division, replace the sign of division with multiplication, and c by d by its multiplicative inverse, that is d by c. Now, there are the two rational numbers and sign between, the operation between them is multiplication. So, multiply the numerator by numerator, that is AD, and denominator by denominator, that is BC. So, this is the final answer. This is the quotient when a rational number is divided by another rational number. For example, let us take divide 4 by 5 by 1 by 3. 4 by 5 is a rational number and 1 by 3 is another rational number. We need to divide 4 by 5 by 1 by 3. Therefore, 4 by 5 is the dividend and 1 by 3 is the divisor. So, this is written as 4 by 5 divided by 1 by 3. Now, 4 by 5, this sign of division will be replaced by multiplication, and 1 by 3 will be replaced by its multiplicative inverse. Since multiplicative inverse of 1 by 3 is given as 3 by 1, that is 3 by 1. Now, there are the two rational numbers 4 by 5 and 3 by 1. The operation between them is multiplication. So, multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. Therefore, the final answer is 12 by 5. The quotient is 12 by 5. Next question. Divide 10 by 13 by 5 by 6. 10 by 13 by 5 by 6. 10 by 13 is our dividend and 5 by 6 is our divisor. So this can be written as 10 upon 13 divided by 5 by 6. Again the procedure will be repeated. 10 by 13. The sign of division will be replaced by sign of multiplication. 5 by 6 will be replaced by its multiplicative inverse, that is 6 upon 5. Hence, the product of these two numerator is 10 multiplied by 6, that is 60, and 13 multiplied by 5 is 65, which can further be cancelled by 5, or directly we can cancel 10 by 5 here. 6. So final is 2 multiplied by 6 and 13 multiplied by 1, that is 12 upon 13. So final value quotient is 12 upon 13. Let's take some more examples. Divide minus 5 by 12 by minus 1 by 4. Again, minus 1 by 12 is our dividend and minus 1 by 4 is our divisor. So this can be written as minus 5 by 12 divided by minus 1 by 4. Again, minus 5 by 12. Division is replaced by multiplication, and multiplicative inverse is minus 4 by 1. Here, this minus multiplied by minus, both are negative numbers. So when negative numbers are multiplied, the result will be the product is positive. 5 upon 12 multiplied by 4 upon 1. This 12 get cancelled by 4 for 3 times. Final answer is 5 upon 3. The quotient is 5 upon 3. Next. Let's take one word problem. The question is the product of two rational numbers is minus 25 upon 49. The product of two rational number is minus 25 upon 49 if one number is 5 by 8, find the other. In question it is written that the product of two rational numbers is minus 25 upon 49. दो rational numbers हैं, उनका product, उनका multiply करके जो value है वो आपको given है minus 25 upon 49. If उन दोनों में से if one of them is 5 by 8, दोनों में से एक जो नंबर है वो 5 by 8 के इक्वल है, तो हमको सेकेंड नंबर जो है अनदर नंबर जो है वो फाइंड आउट करना है. सो वन नंबर इज मिसिंग. लेट द नंबर इज x. जो भी मिसिंग है x अज्यूम किया उसको. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन इट इज गिवन दैट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स, फर्स्ट नंबर इज x and second number that is given is 5 by 8. The product of x and 5 by 8 is given as minus 25 upon 49. We have to calculate this value of x. So, x, when this rational number 5 by 8 transpose, here it is in multiplication, there you can write as like divided by 5 by 8. Therefore, x is equals to minus 25 by 49. Again, multiplication will be replaced by divide will be replaced by multiplication, and multiplicative inverse of 5 by 8 is 8 by 5. 8 by 5. So, x is equals to, cancel for 5 times, minus 5 multiply by 8 divided by 49. value of x is minus 40 upon 49. Therefore, the next number, the another number, the required number is minus 40 upon 49. Required number is minus 40 upon 49. Next example, divide the sum of minus 7 by 6 and 4 by 5 by their product. Question is divide the sum of minus 7 by 6 and 4 by 5 by their product. Two rational numbers are given. First we need to calculate their sum, their addition, and then their product. Then the sum is divided by their product. So sum minus 7 by 6 plus 4 by 5. Two rational numbers are given. We need to add them. Their denominators are different. So first we need to calculate their LCM. So LCM of 6 and 5 is given as 30. Since both are co-prime, so their multiplication, their product will be their LCM only. 6 multiplied by 5 is equals to 30. Therefore, their sum minus 7 by 6 plus 4 by 5 is given as LCM is 30. 30 is divisible by 6 for 5 times. So 7 multiplied minus 7 multiplied by 5 plus 4 multiplied by 30 is divisible by 5 for 6 times. Minus 35 plus 24 upon 30. Therefore, their sum is minus 11 upon 30. Minus 35 plus 24 is minus 11 upon 30. This is our equation number 1. Next, we need to calculate their product. So product is equals to minus 7 by 6 multiplied by 4 by 5. Multiplication, numerator is multiplied by numerator and denominator is multiplied by denominator. So minus 7 multiplied by 4 plus 6 multiplied by 5, that is minus 28 upon 30. The required value which is asked in question is will be given as equation 1 divided by equation 2. As per asked in the question, sum is divided by their product. So equation 1 divided by equation number 2, sum upon product is equals to minus 7 by 6 plus 4 by 5 divided by minus 7 by 6 multiplied by 4 by 5. The results are minus 11 upon 30 and minus 28 upon 30. This can be written as minus 11 upon 30 divided by minus 28 upon 30, which when simplified, 30 upon 28, this got cancelled. Final answer is minus 11 upon 28. Final result is minus 11 upon 28. So this was the operation, how division is performed on two rational number. Now moving on, the next topic is properties of rational numbers. Properties of division on rational numbers. As we have discussed the properties of addition on rational number, properties of multiplication on rational number, same these are the some properties on division of rational number. Properties of division of rational number. Property number 1. Property 1 is known as closure property. Closure property is when a rational number is divided by another non-zero rational number, then the result is also a rational number. There are two rational numbers. When one rational number is divided by another rational number, their result, the final value, the result, the quotient is also a rational number. This property is known as closure property. When any rational number a by b is divided by another non-zero rational number c by d, then the result is also a rational number. For example, when 1 by 5 is divided by 2 by 3, which is solved as 1 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 2, 3 by 10. 1 by 5 was a rational number, 3 by 2 was another rational number. When 1 by 5 is divided by 2 by 3, the result is 3 by 10, which is also a rational number. Therefore, the division of rational numbers follows the property of closure property. Next, property number 2. Property number 2 is when any rational number a by b is divided by 1, then the quotient is a by b. For any rational number a by b, when divided by 1, result is also a by b. For example, if 1 by 3 is divided by 1, result is 1 by 3. 2 by 5 is divided by 1, result is 2 by 5. Minus 1 by 3 is divided by 1, the result is minus 2 by 3. Property number 3. Property 3, when any rational number a by b is divided by a by b, the result is 1. For example, a upon b, when divided by a by b, result is 1. A by b, when multiplied b by a, ab upon ab, ba, that is same, therefore result is 1. So whenever a rational number is divided by itself, the result will be 1 only, unity, 1. For example, if 1 by 3 is divided by 1 by 3, result is 1. If minus 2 by 5 is divided by minus 2 by 5, result is 1 only. So this was the operation on rational numbers. We have studied addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. Now, the last topic of this chapter is insertion of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Since rational numbers are the real numbers which can be represented on the real number line. So on a number line, there are infinite numbers lies between two given numbers 0, 1, 2. Between this 0 and 1, 0.1 lies, 0.01 lies, 0.00001 lies. So there can be infinite numbers like that. Similarly, between 0 and 1, 1 by 2 lies between 0 and 1, 1 by 8 lies between 0 and 1, 1 by 20 lies between 0 and 1, 1 by 200 lies between 0 and 1. So there are infinite numbers which can be inserted between two given rational numbers. सो ये डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन भी है एक, हाउ मैनी रैशनल नंबर्स कैन लाई बिटवीन टू गिवन रैशनल नंबर, तो आंसर इज इनफाइनाइट रैशनल नंबर्स। इनफाइनाइट रैशनल नंबर्स को अपन इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं, इनफाइनाइट रैशनल नंबर्स लाई करते हैं टू गिवन रैशनल नंबर्स के बीच में। अब प्रोसीजर देखते हैं, फाइंड आउट कैसे करना है। लास्ट टॉपिक है ये इस चैप्टर का और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक भी है। Insertion of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. कोई भी दो रैशनल नंबर्स हमको गिवन होंगे, उनके बीच में हमको रैशनल नंबर्स को इंसर्ट करना है। अब वो रैशनल नंबर कितने भी हो सकते हैं, कितने भी क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं, 2, 3, 5, 10, एनी नंबर। So procedure is, when if we need to insert any rational numbers, two rational numbers or three rational numbers between A and B, always remember their average, their mean value lies in between them. For example, if two given rational numbers are A and B, then 1/2 of A plus B, A plus B divided by 2, or their mean or their average always lies between A and B. जो एवरेज होगा वो हमेशा उन दोनों नंबर्स में के बीच में लाई करेगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल से सॉल्व करते हैं अपन। फाइंड 3 रैशनल नंबर्स between 1/3 and 1/2. So given rational numbers are 1/3 and 1/2. इन दोनों रैशनल नंबर्स के बीच में इनफाइनाइट नंबर्स लाई कर सकते हैं। उन इनफाइनाइट में से आपको कोई भी 3 रैशनल नंबर्स को यहाँ पे सॉल्व करके दिखाना है। तो इस क्वेश्चन को करने के 2 मेथड्स हो सकते हैं। सबसे पहले अपन मेथड नंबर 1 विच इज दिस मेथड, एवरेज मेथड, उससे अपन ट्राई करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को। सो एज डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर दैट between A and B, A plus B divided by 2 lies between A and B. So their average 1/3 and 1/2. Average of these two numbers lies between 1/3 and 1/2. So 1/3 plus 1/2 divided by 2. Now simple addition of rational numbers. Their LCM is 6. 2 times 3 times divided by 2, which can be written as 5/6 multiplied by 1/2, that is 5/12. Therefore 5/12 lies between 1/3 and 1/2. So this can be written as 1/3 comma 5/12 comma 1/2. We have found one rational number between 1/3 and 1/2. We need to find 2 more rational numbers. So now what we can do is, let's find one rational number between 1/3 and 5/12. Their average lies in between them, and 5/12 and 1/2. Their average, their mean lies between 5/12 and 1/2. So first we calculate 1/3 and 5/12. Again, just add them and divided by 2. 3 and 12, LCM is 12 only. So in 4 times 5, 2, that is 9/12 multiplied by 1/2, that is 9/24. So now this can be written as 1/3. Since this is the average of these two numbers, so it will lie between these two numbers, 9/24, 5/12 and 1/2. Since we have calculated 2 numbers, 1 number is left, so that number will be the average of these two. It can be the average of these two or the average of these two. So we are taking last two numbers. 5 by 12 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. Their average is, their LCM is 12, 5 times, 6 times and 2. That is 11 upon 12 multiplied by 1 by 2, 11 upon 24. So the final result is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, next 9 by 24, next 5 by 12 and 11 by 24 and 1 by 2. So these are the three rational numbers, 9 by 24, 5 by 12 and 11 by 24, which lies between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. This question can be done in another method, method number 2, which you might find simpler than this. So the given numbers are 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So first what we have to do is to make their denominators same. 1 by 3, 1 by 2, the rational numbers are different in denominators. So first we will convert them in the same denominator. So 1 by 3 when multiplied by 2 by 2 can be written as 2 upon 6. Similarly 1 by 2 when multiplied by 3 by 3 can be written as 3 by 6. Now the problem is 2 and 3 denominators are same, 2 by 6, 3 by 6. No natural number lies between 2 and 3. So we cannot find any rational number between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So you can convert this in another rational number and another equivalent rational number by multiplying it by any number. Suppose we are multiplying it by 5 by 5, that is 10 upon 30. Multiply this number again 5 by 5, that is 15 upon 30. You can multiply it by any number, any natural number. So 10 by 30 and 15 by 30. So in between these two rational numbers there lies 11 by 30, 12 by 30, 13 by 30 and 14 by 30. So these are the four rational numbers which lies between 10 by 30 and 15 by 30. You can select any three from these four, any three, 11 by 30, 12 by 30, 13 by 30 or 12 by 30, 13 by 30 and 14 by 30. So this was the second method. What you have to do is just make the denominators same by multiplying the numbers, natural numbers in numerator and denominator both, and just write the numbers in between them. Let's do one more example. Find 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 5 and 1 by 4. Minus 3 by 5 and 1 by 4. These are the two rational numbers given, minus 3 by 5, one is negative rational number, one is positive rational number. You need to find 5 rational number. Any method can be used. You can use the average method by in which you were calculating the average of two numbers, or you can do it by this method. So we are doing it by this method. Minus 3 by 5 and 1 by 4. The first what we need to do is to make the denominators same. Here the denominator is 5, here the denominator is 4. So you can multiply the first rational number by 4 upon 4, that is minus 12 upon 20, and the second rational number by 5 upon 5. As we have done this, the denominators of the resultant rational numbers are same, 20 and 20. Their numerators are minus 12 and 5. So minus 12 upon 20 and 5 upon 20. So there lies minus 11 upon 20, minus 10 upon 20, minus 9 upon 20, minus 8 upon 20, minus 7 upon 20, minus 6 upon 20, minus 5 upon 20, minus 4 upon 20, minus 3 upon 20, minus 2 upon 20, continue, minus 1 upon 20, 0 upon 20, 1 by 20, 2 by 20, 3 by 20, 4 by 20, and last was. So we have calculated many rational numbers between minus 12 by 20 and 5 by 20. And in question it was asked for any 5 rational numbers. So you can select any 5 rational numbers between these from minus 11 to 4 by 20. Any 5 rational numbers can be selected. Same question can be done with the method of by calculating the mean. So let's try this question by first method. So first rational number between minus 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 is minus 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5 divided by 2. The LCM is 20 minus 3 multiplied by 4 plus 5 multiplied by 1 divided by 2, that is minus 12 plus 5 upon 20 multiplied by 1 by 2, it is minus 7 upon 40. Minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7 upon 40. So first rational number is minus 3 by 5 minus 7 upon 40 and 1 by 4. This was the first rational number. Now next rational number can be calculated between these two or between these two. So by calculating their average, minus 7 by 40 divided by 2. LCM is 40. 8 times 8 threes are 24 minus 7 upon 2. Minus 24 minus 7 is minus 31. 40 multiplied by 2 is 80. So therefore next rational number is minus 3 by 5 minus 31 by 80 minus 7 by 40, 1 by 4. Next rational number can be calculated between these two. Minus 7 by 40 plus 1 by 4 divided by 2. Minus 7 plus 10 divided by 2, that is 3 upon 80. Minus 10 minus 7 plus 10 is 3. 3 upon 42 is 80. So minus 3 by 5 minus 31 by 80 minus 7 by 40. Next is 3 by 80, 1 by 4. Similarly, we have calculated 3 rational numbers between them. 2 more rational numbers can be calculated between these two or these two or these two. So this was the second method of doing this question. Let's take one more example. Write any 5 rational numbers. Write any 5 rational numbers between minus 5 by 6 and 7 by 8. Minus 5 by 6, a negative rational number, 7 by 8, a positive rational number. So since their denominators are different, so first what we need to do is to make their denominators same. So here we can convert them in their LCM. LCM of 6 and 8 is given as 24. मैंने पहले भी बताया किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, LCM में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. बेसिक आपको करना क्या है, दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम करना है. So minus 5 by 6 when multiplied by 4, result is minus 20 upon 24. 7 by 8 when multiplied by 3 upon 3, result is 21 upon 24. So there are 20 minus 20 upon 24 and 21 upon 24. So minus 19 upon 24, minus 18 upon 24, minus 17 upon 24, minus 16 upon 24, minus 15 upon 24, minus 14 upon 24, minus 13 upon 24, minus 12 upon 24, minus 11 upon 24, minus 10 upon 24, So there are many numbers lies between minus 20 upon 24 till 21 upon 24. 20 upon 24, 19 upon 24, positive or negative. So you can select any 5 rational numbers between them, any 5 rational numbers of them. So minus 20 upon 24, let's take minus 19 upon 24, minus 18 upon 24, minus 17 upon 24, minus 16 upon 24 and minus 15 upon 24. So these are the 5 rational numbers which lies between minus 5 by 6 and 7 by 8. So this was for today. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में कुछ क्वेश्चंस अपन डिस्कस करेंगे. ये चैप्टर में कंसेप्ट वाइज ये चैप्टर यहीं पे फिनिश होता है. थैंक यू.